It's your boy, Famous Animal TV. Hottest shit in the streets. When you trying to get your shit in the streets, need you to come holler at me, who I got in the building with me.
Hey, CEO Rocc, man. Y'all know what it is. Hustleholic in the building.
Real talk. You coming from, my boy?
All the way from D-Town, man. Y'all know Triple D, stand up.
Real talk. You got that hot shit for me?
Hey, yeah, you know what it is.
Come on,
turn
man.
Turn it one time.
Real talk. Let me hear this shit then.
Hey.
There you go.
Hey.
Let go.
You think I walk around with dirt on my neck and I won't die for my respect? I know some young niggas that'll die for a nigga, tell a lie for a nigga. Niggas talking about they wanna come and take it from me, like I ain't got it on me. A nigga getting rich round this bitch, yeah, but I ain't rich, homie. Let's go. A nigga getting rich round this bitch. Yeah, I'm talking about filthy. I was the richest nigga off in the room, so I had to walk right out the building. They say you hang around 4 millionaires, then you will fuck around and be the fifth one. You reach for my chain on game, yeah. You gon' fuck around, turn to the victim. Got a chip on my shoulder, blows out by the boulder, VV be ocean. My forces be floating, my mouthpiece be golden, Magnum no Trojan. They hate cause I'm chosen. I'm fresh off the block when that bitch was rolling. Yeah, you rock me a Nixon, but got me some bread and dough me a rolling. Don't act like you know me. That Glock 19, that bitch hold a Kobe.